Imagine waking up to find your profession replaced, not by a person, but by a machine. AI isn't just transforming industries, it's rewriting the rules of work itself. Are you prepared for what's coming? Let's uncover the 10 jobs most at risk of being taken over by AI by 2030. Automation in transportation is rapidly advancing due to strides in AI and autonomous vehicle technology. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber Freight are at the forefront of developing self-driving technologies. Their efforts are primarily focused on creating vehicles that can navigate complex urban and highway environments without human intervention. Autonomous trucks, particularly in long-haul logistics, are already being tested extensively. Tesla's Semi, for instance, promises efficiency and safety improvements over traditional human-driven trucks. Delivery robots, such as those from Starship Technologies, are rolling out in urban areas for last-mile delivery, further reducing the need for human couriers. Delivery services like Amazon, FedEx, and UPS are exploring drones and automated vehicles, aiming to cut costs and boost efficiency. AI tools like chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing how businesses handle customer inquiries. ChatGPT, Google Bard, and similar models can process large volumes of customer queries simultaneously, offering personalized instant responses. These systems operate 24/7, which traditional human agents cannot match in terms of efficiency or scalability. Companies see significant cost savings with AI-powered customer service. According to reports, businesses that adopt chatbots save up to 30% on operational costs. This shift makes AI an attractive solution for companies looking to reduce expenses while improving service availability. Studies estimate that 85% of customer interactions could be managed by AI by 2030. Major players like Amazon, which uses AI in its Alexa-powered customer support system, are leading this transformation, setting a benchmark for the industry. Customer service is among the first sectors where large-scale job displacement is expected. Workers may need to upskill or transition to roles that complement AI systems, such as chatbot training or customer experience management. Tools like OCR, optical character recognition software, can scan documents and extract data with incredible precision, significantly reducing errors common in manual data entry. AI-based systems learn from corrections, continuously improving their accuracy over time. AI-driven platforms process vast volumes of data in a fraction of the time it takes humans. For instance, applications like UiPath and Blue Prism utilize robotic process automation to handle repetitive tasks such as data transfer between systems in seconds. The shift to AI in this role exemplifies how repetitive and rule-based tasks are being replaced, paving the way for more strategic roles for humans, while reducing opportunities in traditional clerical positions. The role of retail cashiers is undergoing a significant transformation with the advent of AI-powered solutions and automation technologies. Self-checkout kiosks, contactless payment systems, and mobile apps are making traditional cashier roles less necessary. For example, Amazon Go stores showcase the Just Walk Out technology that eliminates the need for cashiers altogether. Shoppers scan their app upon entry, and AI-powered cameras track their purchases. When they leave, the system automatically charges their account. This seamless experience is efficient, but it significantly reduces the need for human intervention. While this creates a better shopping experience for some, it poses challenges for workers in this sector to adapt and find new opportunities. Factory workers are at significant risk of being replaced by automation and AI technologies in the coming years. Robotics and AI are already streamlining production lines, handling everything from assembly to quality control. The use of advanced machines such as robotic arms and automated inspection systems has greatly improved efficiency and consistency in manufacturing. Robots are already performing many repetitive tasks like assembling parts, packaging, and material handling. These machines can work 24/7 without rest, ensuring maximum productivity. They also reduce human error, leading to higher precision in manufacturing processes. Statistics show that automation in manufacturing has already increased by over 50% in the last decade, and this trend is expected to continue. As AI technology becomes more advanced, its application in factories is likely to grow, leading to the further displacement of factory workers. In the future, AI-powered machines may be able to handle the entire production process, from raw materials to the finished product, reducing the need for human workers on the factory floor. Medical transcription is one of the jobs most affected by the rise of AI technology, especially with the development of advanced speech recognition and natural language processing tools. AI-driven tools like Dragon Medical are transforming the field by offering transcription services at much higher speeds and accuracy levels than manual human transcriptionists. Human transcriptionists, while skilled, can still make mistakes, especially when transcribing medical jargon or multi-syllable terms. AI tools are trained on vast amounts of data, which helps improve their accuracy over time, with fewer errors than manual transcription. Over time, AI will become increasingly adept at catching nuances in medical language and eliminating mistakes caused by human fatigue or distractions. With AI taking over the transcription process, the role of medical transcriptionists is diminishing. Medical professionals may still need to review and correct documents, but much of the manual work will be replaced by AI tools that handle large volumes of medical data quickly and accurately. Legal assistants and paralegals are roles at risk of being displaced by AI technology, particularly in tasks such as research, document review, and drafting basic legal documents. AI tools like e-discovery and contract analysis software are already automating the tedious aspects of legal work that paralegals and legal assistants traditionally handled. These tools can sift through large volumes of data and legal documents much faster than humans, identifying relevant information and flagging discrepancies with impressive accuracy. For example, AI-based platforms can now analyze contracts and predict litigation risks, making it easier for lawyers to navigate complex legal landscapes without needing to manually review every document. This allows law firms to reduce the number of human workers they need for these tasks, as AI can handle it much more efficiently. With the right investment in AI tools, it is predicted that many law firms could reduce their reliance on human paralegals and assistants within the next decade. This shift is part of a broader trend where automation is rapidly evolving in industries that involve repetitive, information-heavy tasks like legal work. Journalists' jobs are increasingly at risk from AI advancements. Tools like Jasper and NewsGPT are making waves in newsrooms by quickly generating articles, often faster than human journalists can. AI-powered tools are already capable of drafting routine news stories such as sports scores, weather reports, or even stock market updates without human input. By 2030, it's possible that newsrooms may employ AI to write a large portion of daily content, leaving human journalists to focus on more complex investigative work, opinion pieces, and specialized reporting. As AI tools become more sophisticated, this shift could cause job displacement for entry-level positions in journalism, like news reporters and content writers. In fact, some studies predict that as AI tools evolve, they could account for up to 35% of all news stories published within the next decade. The role of bank tellers is already being significantly impacted by technology, especially AI-driven automation. Traditional banking tasks like deposits, withdrawals, and account inquiries are increasingly handled by ATMs and digital platforms. Virtual assistants powered by AI, such as chatbots, are streamlining customer service by resolving routine inquiries, freeing up human employees from many tasks that were once done at the counter. Banking giants are already heavily investing in AI to create smarter virtual assistants that can handle more complex customer service requests. For instance, JP Morgan, Chase, and Bank of America have rolled out AI-driven chatbots to help customers with everything from balance inquiries to making payments. These systems continuously improve as they process more interactions, making them even more effective and able to replace manual roles. As a result, by 2030, many of the tasks traditionally handled by bank tellers could be fully automated, significantly reducing the need for human workers in these roles. The rise of AI in the travel industry has significantly impacted the traditional role of travel agents. In the past, travel agents would help clients book flights, hotels, and vacations based on personal preferences and availability. Today's AI-driven recommendation engines, such as those found on platforms like Google Flights and Expedia, are transforming this process by offering instant, tailored solutions to users. By 2030, it's likely that many of the tasks handled by human travel agents, such as booking and itinerary planning, will be completely automated, shifting the profession toward more specialized roles, like customer service or offering premium, personalized experiences. In summary, AI's increasing ability to handle complex tasks in travel booking and planning indicates that traditional travel agents may struggle to maintain their relevance unless they adapt to new technologies and focus on high-value niche services. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge tech content.